Hey you guys, it's Bree, and I just wanted to come on here and show you my hair. So I actually redid all of my extensions. I did them better this time, so it's a lot thinner, and it's also they're just a lot, it's a lot better, more seamless. So I just kind of want to show you what they look like. Okay, look at all the fullness. Now, you might be thinking, oh, okay, well, it looked like this the last time we were together. And the videos are just off in terms of sequence, in terms of the time, because a lot of time passed in between when I made that video and when I edited it. So in those 10 weeks, this hair started to get kind of ratty and not as cute. So so I cut it and then I curled it up, and I think that looked really good. I probably should have just kept doing that, but I feel like when I used that mousse on the hair, it made it crunchy, and it made it so it didn't do this anymore. It was just kind of stiff. And so I kept cutting it. And finally, I couldn't feel happy with it. So I was like, yeah, I just got to do it over. And so now it's back. It's back. Let me see. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on. You know, when I'm at work and the people at work at my job, they'll be like, "Oh my gosh, you look just like a little Barbie doll. You look like a little doll." They don't say Barbie doll. They say, "You look like a little doll." And I know it's because I just got like a little bit of the blush going. You know. So I'll just put a second. This is like an orange blush. It's my favorite one by Javon Ford Beauty. Also, got another Javon Ford Beauty one. This one's like in a purplish color. It's called Blackberry. So I like to put that on my lips. Like that, give it a little color. But I don't like to put it on the inside, just on the outside. Then we're gonna put on some of this Supermodel, the Fat Oil by NYX. That's the color Supermodel. Okay. Then we're gonna add a regular lip gloss. That's super cute. Okay, so now one thing I did get for this hair though is some curl leave-in cream. I just got this from Walmart. It's by Kristen Ness. I'm thinking this is for maybe, you know, a more Caucasian persuasion, but this hair is not black, so I felt like, duh, I probably should get something for people whose hair is more like this. You know what I'm saying? I probably should get some products that matches the hair that I'm gonna use the products on. So it's a moisture replenishing, frizz fighting, strand softening, humidity shielding, medium to coarse curl types. Okay, well, I'll try to use it tomorrow. It says detangle using your fingers, a wide tooth comb, and then style your hair. So yeah, I'll have to try it another day. Oh, but it smells so good. I kind of do want to use it. Oh yeah, I like it. So yeah, we're gonna have to try to do something different this time around in terms of taking care of the hair, because what was going on was I was basically just going to sleep with it and not even like trying to tie it up, and I wasn't even being careful. Like I didn't braid it down. I did always sleep on a satin pillowcase, but I'm gonna do much more this time because I wanted to I wanted to be, nice for longer. But I did put that into my schedule, so I have another bundle left. It only takes one bundle to do my whole head, and I had bought 3 because I thought it was going to take 2 bundles for one time. But anyway, so I have in another 10 weeks or so, I'm going to come out, and if my hair needs it, I'll take it down and do it again. And but I will say what I think. One of the things it died, one of the reasons why I think it died is because I curled it up. So, and put some mousse in it, and I think that kind of killed the curl, killed the wave a little bit. And yeah, just not really taking good care of it. I think that the curl is gonna die some anyway, but I think that there is something that I can do to make it not so bad, So anyway, let me continue on with the getting of ready. So I also bought that TikTok shop Raw Essence Beauty. I think that's a really good product. Especially with my thick minoxidil brows, it helps me to just smooth them joints down because they are thick and wiry now. Then I like to take this is what my client put me on to. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is put in some edge control. Even though the baby hairs are naturally on fleek, that's word to minoxidil. I am using Kalita Naturals Stronghold. Love this stuff. Just put it in here. And actually, if you look at some old pictures, I've been doing my baby hairs like this for a long time, but I was taking this whole inside section and swooping it down. Now look, I only have to take the baby hairs, the new baby hairs that were created to kind of give me the illusion of having a full head of hair. And this has been actually transformational for me. I should have been on minoxidil. I should have been using it. But this is great. Like, I don't regret it. I feel like this is amazing. And I look so good like this, with my hair like this. Also, my sideburns are heavy because of the minoxidil. But anyway, we're going to this is so cute. Okay. Now let me split it down the middle. Okay, you guys, this is it for my hair. I'll see you next time. You know what? Before I end off, let me show you. Oh, this would really just go with my outfit. So these are some little beads and stuff that I got from Angelina's shop. She has a shop called Love is in the Hair. And one of the women that works there, like this, like that, her name is Denise, and she has some beads and stuff. So I'm gonna actually put this on one of them. Maybe this one, if I can get it on there. Okay, fit all the way up there. Then we're gonna take a rubber band. How cute is that? How cute is it? Can we quantify cuteness? We can't. Anyway, okay, yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Is my new hair. Well, new hair, old hair, but new hair. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.